We want to start our 7-minute shooting.
Frondosa now, driving, layup, 2 points. Sibal. Pass to Villanueva. Villanueva for 3. 3-1 shot, driving, layup, 2 points. For Caceres. Caceres now, pass to Oliosa. Oliosa, layup, 2 by Frondosa. Pass to Caceres. Tumira, 2 points for Caceres now. Anong gagawin? Pass to Oliosa. Oliosa, tumira, 2 Caceres now.
Travel.
Caceres driving, tumira, 2 points for Caceres. First free throw basket. Points for 6. 14 now. Pass to number 27. 2 free throws for Randy. First free throw basket. Second free throw. 1-2-2. 1-2-2.